Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. How does changing the pressure affect the boiling temperature of a substance? Does the temperature increase with pressure or does it stay the same? Explain why. So, the temperature will increase since the boiling or saturation temperature of a pure substance depends on the pressure. Alright, and the in-depth explanation is the same as the summary. Thanks for watching. Before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If you don't have it, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program, click on Video option, click on New, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up video, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.